Malo elele. Kohoku hingoa ko Talita, Pikatolia, esetau, moala Fainga'a. Ko klele mai aku mi helolo paongo, kolofa hina, uiha hapai, paki mo toi mo kolokakala, aloi talau e lotane afu, Vava'u lahi. I'm proudly representing the Current of Love charity, Vava'u. Malo.
My name is Talita Fainga'a, and I am from the beautiful island of Vava'u. I am the youngest of 4 siblings and was raised by my loving mother after the passing of my father 6 years ago. Growing up, my family has always shared a deep love for the outdoors. We enjoy spending time at the beach and going on camping trips together. These experiences shaped my passion for nature and outdoor activities such as dancing, hiking and diving. I recently completed my Bachelor of Science degree in Hospitality and Tourism Management from Brigham Young University in Hawaii. My time at university allowed me to develop valuable skills and gain practical experience in serving others, managing tourism operations, and understanding the importance of culture in hospitality. It also helped me become more confident in working with people from diverse backgrounds and cultures. My goal is to pursue higher education and continue gaining professional experience in the tourism and hospitality field. I want to be in a position where I can support youth development and aim to give back to my family and community who have supported and inspired me throughout my journey. I believe that with dedication, education and cultural pride, I can make a positive difference in the lives of others and be a role model for the younger generation. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, this is your contestant number 6, Miss Current of Love Charity Vava'u, Talita, Victoria, etc. Moala Fainga'a.